Michael Carter, a 39-year-old single father living in Denver, Colorado, had once managed one of the city's most successful bakery chains. After his wife passed away from cancer, he devoted every spare moment to raising his 8-year-old daughter, Lily. Despite his dedication, balancing work and fatherhood became increasingly difficult. One Monday morning, Michael arrived late after taking Lily to school because her school bus had broken down. His company's ambitious CEO, Victoria Reynolds, saw only the delay, not the reason behind it. Without listening to his explanation, she coldly terminated his employment in front of everyone. Losing his job destroyed Michael's finances within months. Bills piled up, his savings disappeared, and he sold almost everything he owned. One evening, while driving through an older neighborhood, he noticed a dusty bakery with a faded sign reading, "Sunrise Bakery for sale." Something inside him refused to give up. The bakery had cracked windows, broken ovens, and empty shelves, but Michael remembered the joy baking had always brought him. Using the last of his savings and a small community loan, he bought the neglected building. Friends thought he had made the biggest mistake of his life. Every morning before sunrise, Michael mixed dough, while Lily happily decorated cookies after school. They painted the walls themselves, repaired old furniture, and cleaned every corner together. Customers slowly began noticing the warmth inside the little bakery, where every loaf and pastry was made with genuine care. Word spread quickly across Denver. People loved not only the fresh bread, but also the inspiring story behind the bakery. Families gathered there every weekend, children enjoyed free cookies, and neighbors appreciated Michael's kindness. Within a year, Sunrise Bakery had become one of the city's favorite gathering places. Meanwhile, Victoria Reynolds faced serious trouble. Her large bakery corporation had expanded too quickly, customer satisfaction had fallen, and several locations closed. Social media praised Sunrise Bakery while criticizing her company for poor quality and unfriendly service. She couldn't understand how her former employee had succeeded. Curious and frustrated, Victoria decided to visit Sunrise Bakery without announcing who she was. As she walked inside, she immediately recognized Michael behind the counter. The smell of freshly baked cinnamon rolls filled the room, while customers smiled warmly and thanked him by name. Michael looked up and recognized the woman who had fired him. For a brief moment, painful memories returned. Yet instead of anger, he simply smiled and said, "Welcome to Sunrise Bakery. What can I get for you today?" Victoria stood speechless, surprised by his calm and respectful greeting. While waiting for her coffee, Victoria watched Michael help an elderly customer carry bread to her car. She saw him patiently teach a teenage employee how to frost cupcakes, and then kneel beside Lily to congratulate her on finishing her homework. His leadership inspired loyalty rather than fear. Finally, Victoria admitted why she had come. "I fired you because I believed business was only about profits. Looking around this bakery, I realize I forgot that people matter more than numbers." Michael quietly listened without interrupting, understanding how difficult those words were to say. Victoria offered Michael an executive position at her company with double his previous salary. Michael smiled gratefully but shook his head. "I already have everything I was searching for," he replied, glancing at Lily, laughing with customers. "Success isn't measured by money, it's measured by the lives you brighten." Victoria left with tears in her eyes and a lesson she would never forget. Michael watched the sunset through the bakery window, grateful for every hardship that had led him there. Sometimes losing everything isn't the end of the story. It is simply the beginning of something far more meaningful.